Stock used to be a darling, didn't it? We're talking Netflix, but they got problems with the number of new subscribers that they've got and competition, so the stock is down $8 at 102. The key to the future, though, is what original programming Netflix is going to produce to put into the pipeline to attract viewers in the future. What is in that pipeline? Deadline's Dominic Patton is here. Can you give me a list? What's in the pipeline that's going to titivate our audience and make them sign up for Netflix?
Well, I got to tell you, Stuart, this week alone, you're going to see some new content from them. On October 16th, on Friday, is the first of Netflix original feature films, Beasts of No Nation, starring the star Idris Elba. So you're going to see that coming already. They've got a huge feature slate already lined up with original movies from Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie, a project with Jane Fonda and Robert Redford, and of course, they're going to have another one of these hugely successful Marvel-related shows, Marvel's Jessica Jones, which is the second series of the 4-series deal they have with Disney and Marvel. So this fall alone on Netflix, you're going to see a lot of stuff coming out of the pipeline.
Okay, so that's a strong pipeline. You like it. You think it's a winner. Hold on 1 second, Dominic.
Yeah.
As we were introducing you, we were talking about Narcos. Is that what it's called? Narcos.
Right.
Narcos. I've got Monica Crowley and Ashley Webster with me. They both said, "Whoa, gotta watch this Narcos."
Great
Both
stuff.
watch it. It's so good.
So fabulous.
Good. Can we roll a brief clip of Narcos, please? Roll it now.
It's that good.
It's that
Ashley
good.
and I can act it out.
Yes, really.
There you go.
In a poor country, and by the time you were 28 years old, you have so much money you can't even count it.
Oh, that's attractive.
Well, it's great. It's based on the true story of Pablo Escobar.
And you're watching it, right?
It's fantastic.
Dominic,
Incredible.
is it as good as our people in New York say it is?
Well, I have to tell you, as Deadline.com's chief TV critic, I didn't exactly give Narcos the biggest thumbs up. I think it's an interesting show. I think talking about Pablo Escobar is a great story. I don't think this is the ultimate Pablo Escobar story. But there were some good attempts at it. Having said that, Netflix consistently has a strong slate. You know, I mentioned Daredevil when I was talking about Marvel's Jessica Jones. Now, Netflix doesn't give out their numbers, but we kind of know unofficially that shows like Daredevil and Grace and Frankie, the comedy starring Jane Fonda and Lily Tomlin, the Emmy-nominated comedy, by the way, they're doing very, very well. And you're going to see those shows back. So you're going to see more Daredevil in 2016, more Grace and Frankie, of course, more House of Cards. And this might be the real kicker for a lot of people, which is two things. First of all, Netflix now have a deal with Disney. That deal could include the new Star Wars movie that comes out at the end of this year, showing up on Netflix in late 2016, 2017.
I'd love to see if you've moved the market, because you're describing a very powerful lineup of future stuff in the pipeline for Netflix.
Well,
I'd just love to see
let me add one more thing to that, Stuart. Netflix is in Japan recently, but they're not yet in China. But as I exclusively revealed a couple weeks ago, Netflix CEO Reed Hastings and Chief Content Officer Ted Sarandos, they were among the exclusive guests to the state dinner at the White House for the president of China. So if you're a Tealeaf reader like you and I are, you might want to think what that means too, my man.
And oh, look at the stock. Oh, no, that's Disney.
No,
I thought for a second
Netflix
had gone up. Dominic Patton, that was good stuff, and we appreciate you being here. Maybe you'll move the market. Maybe Netflix will come back a little on the strength of what you got to say. Good stuff. Thank you. Now.